and use it, right? People are inside. Let's go for the last person.
Look, there's a slide over here. Got grass still working on growing up.
Over here.
Could take my RC car out here.
Yeah. Oh, this is like a little play area.
Cool. Yeah.
Let's see it. It can have little dots in it.
See, look, there's a couple benches here. And you can go down by climbing down the rocks, or you can go down on that slide over there.
Let's go down it.
Okay. All right, slide time.
It's kind of too hot, right?
Nah.
Yeah.
All right, go, go, go. That thing's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can go see there's a little trail over here.
Yeah. We can walk around. There's a dead end.
Yeah, that one's a dead end, huh?
Oh, I can't cut up that.
That's cool. There's a little log bridge over there. Little log thing climbing on, and a really big rock wall.
Can I get on this?
No, I don't want to look crazy. Go, Colin! Hold on good. Oh, look at him swing. That was good. You almost made it all the way back. All right, good job, Colin. Say good job, Colin.
Good job, Colin.
So it also looks like they built a trail out here. So you can see it goes, and I think it just does a big loop out here in the field. I know there's a guy out here walking his dog and stuff. So this might be our new favorite park. You never know. We were just looking at this little thing, and look, it's a Klamath Rock sticker. It won't focus, but there's people that hide the little rocks around town, and they put those little stickers on them.